Dear ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you about happyfeed.net pop-up windows. Some way or another, they have started attacking my browser, and it could be that your browser is affected by these pop-ups too. Well, if you have ended up visiting this video tutorial, then probably you were searching on the answer how to remove these pop-ups from your browser. Basically, the very fact that these pop-ups do attack your screen is the proof that your system could be infected by some adware type program. And you need to be extremely careful not to trust and not to interact with such pop-up windows, because they are not only very destructive, but they are also extremely dangerous. Their mission is to hijack your browser with intrusive ads in the form of web push notifications. They will tell that the website wants to show notifications and supposedly that you need to click on the allow button. However, doing that is a very serious mistake, and you should never ever agree with such a misleading proposal. So do not click on the allow button, no matter how tricky the alert is. If you have done that by mistake, your browser will be hijacked and soon you will be redirected to some other dangerous resources on the web. You need to do the following. Go to your browser menu, click on Settings. Now scroll down, select Advanced, go to Site Settings, and now Notifications. In the bottom of the list, find this dangerous resource, click here and select Remove. Okay, this has been done. But another important step is that you scan your Mac computer with the reliable software named Combo Cleaner. You may download it through the website combocleaner.com by means of this green download Combo Cleaner button. And Combo Cleaner is actually a shareware. Its trial version is limited by the disk cleaner function, but the antivirus is the part of the premium version of the program. After you download and install the software, you may open it and you will notice your version of Combo Cleaner. It will first update its antivirus database, and after that is successfully accomplished, you need to click on the Start Combo Scan button to initiate the cleanup process. Thanks for watching. The video first of all showed you the manual solution to remove happyfeed.net pop-ups, and now it also says about Combo Cleaner as the automatic tool to get your Mac fixed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.